None of us can control when or where the end will come, but with MyEpi-log, you can control how you'll be remembered and shape your emotional legacy. By arranging everything in advance through MyEpi-log, you'll relieve your family of the huge burden of planning a memorial, contacting friends scattered around the world, and orchestrating charitable donations in lieu at a very difficult time. MyEpi-log lets you manage your memorial on your terms, both online and offline, to ensure that your life is celebrated in the way that you want it to be. Our easy-to-use system brings family and friends together through a secure online community, including photo and video galleries, shared stories, and places to share condolences and treasured memories. Choose only the features and services you want, from scheduling messages to be sent to loved ones for future events such as birthdays and milestones, to memorializing your social media accounts, to sending personalized invitations to the ceremony. Your account will grow with you over time. Add photos and memories right from your smartphone, and include new friends, work colleagues, university classmates, and even teammates. As you add and update content, you'll be creating a virtual record to allow family, friends, and future generations to learn new and special things about you. Leave a meaningful, lasting memento that your loved ones can visit for years to come with MyEpi-log.